Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Poco X2 smartphone. In this video, you will learn how you can set ringtone in your phone Poco X2. First of all, go to the settings in your phone. Click here for settings. Now click on sound and vibration. Click on sound and vibration. Click on phone ringtone. And here you can select this option, all ringtones. Here you can choose online ringtone. Select any ringtone and click OK to download. Yes, it's added now. You can also choose local ringtone. You can choose any local files. You can also choose from file manager. If you have any music file, you can choose here. Then next, these are only system ringtones. Just pick up any one. Just pick up any tone and go back to activate. Yes, it's activated in phone ringtone. This is SIM1 ringtone. If you select here SIM2 ringtone, you can set. You can just apply from SIM1 ringtone. Otherwise, you can choose different ringtones. Just you can select from the online ringtones. Otherwise, select from the local ringtones. This is online ringtone. Click OK to download. Yes, it's downloaded. Then choose local ringtone. These are all system ringtones. Just pick up any one and go back to activate. Yes, it's activated. This is alarm sound. Next, notification sounds. Just you can select from the online ringtone. Otherwise, you can select from the local ringtones or select from the phone ringtones. So in this way, you can easily set ringtone on your phone. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.